Alright, time for a long, boring video. Unless you like crap like me. Alright, I gotta pull the headlight out, fix a bunch of screw hole, one stripped. It's 1224 thread, which is oddball. Look, I got a heater coil kit for that. And I might have to go find a tap. I didn't dig that out yet. And take the headlight out, and we gotta tighten up this strip up here. And then fix all the junk behind it, the wiring, screw holes, and put it back together. Yeah, sure. With no problems. Okay, that hole's bad. That one's stripped. Thought it was this one was stripped. This one's stripped. This one's bad. How about this one above it? Might as well check it to see if it's bad too while we're at it here. Right? Doesn't want to go in. Yeah. I don't know. We'll check it. We'll check every hole. The reason these are number 12 thread, because in 1949 when Harley came out with this shit, that's what they used. 1024 strip too easy and quarter was too big, so they used 12. And see how this CCI clone bike, or a Harley clone, CCI, they copied Harley. It's a 2001, it's the same damn shit as 49 Harley. Alright, that should fall out. Yeah, it should fall out. There's nothing holding it. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. My flashlight keeps disappearing. Yeah, there's no threads in that hole. That one looks good, good, good. Good. Yeah, yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, looks like crap. That'll screw that. Okay, so let's see if we can make a screw go on this thing now that's off the bike. If you line the screw up, it goes in. What a shocker. Problem is it's a lot higher on this side, so covered it won't let me do it. And this one over here, probably an alignment issue, probably same deal. Yep, it goes in perfectly fine when you get it right. It is in a little bit of a 10-degree upward slant to it though. It's not quite put in square. This one over here had the same problem, but I did get it to go in. It appears that they did cross-thread it though. Oh well. Okay. One stripped one. Everything else should make it work. Okay. Strip it to be so 1224 heater coil kit. Back 100 years ago when I bought it, it was $10 at an auction. Swap meet. Wherever I got it from. Appears to have some helicoils left. Good. That's all we need. Okay, you take your tap, which is too big for this driver. Yeah, won't fit. Get another driver. One driver. looks way bigger than that hole, but oh well. Put a little oil on it. It's stripped out. There's really no reason to drill it. Just cram this thing in there. If it'll go. It doesn't look like it's going to go. Crap. We've got to drill it. You just cram them in there. It says it takes a 15/64 drill. I'm sure we got one of those laying around someplace. 15/64. So that sounds like a stock size. Maybe they get a drill motor. That's a lot of work. 15/64 should not be that tall. One of these, probably missing. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, right here. Just under a quarter. Appears to be missing 234 thou. All right. Quarter inch. 15/64 should be right under it. You know, if I could read it, I could see that. Oh well. Be that. This is probably one of the dull ones that doesn't cut. Oh yeah, that's like really bad. Okay, that'll be I doubt if that'll go in by hand. We'll try. We'll see what we can do. Oh. 56/4 is the one right underneath the quarter, right? 250. 218. 234. Yep, that's the one. Alright, it's the right reamer. Dull as hell. Alright, we're going to try this the hard way. We like the hard way around here. Keeps things interesting. Oh, that's going pretty good actually. It looks pretty straight. Straight enough for who it's for. It's for me. Yeah, that's good. Uh-oh. Jeez, fell through. Alright, good. Didn't know I was so strong. Perfect. Alright, that's in my way. Okay. It worked like it was supposed to. It's going to wind up on the floor if I let go of it. So put it over there, it'll fall somewhere else. Okay. I hope that was the right one. It's now bigger. Okay. Push hard. Make sure it's square. Yeah, looks good to me. Good enough for what it's for. Alright. It's in my way again. Alright, flying right along now. Okay, now we gotta find these little dinky little helicoils. Probably too long. Okay, these are a certain length, and this is a certain width. The problem is it's the same length right now, or it's longer. I think it's longer than what it is, and these grow when you put them in. So I got to cut two coils off of this. I'd call it a custom helicoil. Damn, the tripod's hard to work. Okay, so you find a tang, or the tang should be. You take the proto dikes that work really good for doing this kind of crap. You pull out a little bit out, make sure you got one, and clip one off. See, one came off. Went to the floor. We didn't need it. And you go over here and do it again. You clip another one off. See, there's one came off, see? That's two off now. Now we look up in there and see if the width is about right. We got 4 threads on this side and 4 on that side. So we got about 4 threads. It's going to take 5 threads at least of length. I only see about 3.5 right there. Not very many threads in there. So even though we shortened it 2 already, it needs another one off. Because we have 5 over there. Maybe we cut only half a helicoil off, but I'm thinking we're going to take all of them off. Yeah, we're going to take the whole thing off here. Oops, another one fell off. Now it's starting to get short. Got 3 on that side, 4 over there. I think that's worth trying. It's now half the length it was. Yeah, you got to put on your little insert tool here. And drive it in there. As usual, it will not start because I need to put pressure on it. Okay, to make it to go in the hole, you got to push it in. These things have spring tension on them. If you push with the shank, the tool here, it stretches it out like a spring. Doesn't help you. You have to use a pair of channel locks and crescent wrench on you like that, and you push on the helicoil itself, not on the tool. That pushes it into the hole. And you got to find the starting thread. If you do it right, it goes in. If you do it wrong, it skips a thread. Basically cross thread itself in. So I think it started. It looks like it started. Yep, looks good. We're going to say it's correct. I'm going to try to turn it in and see if it goes. Give it a flush. Needs to go another half a turn. Might pop out the other side, I don't know. Okay, hard drive went away. Okay, so here's the helicoil in there. So I had to go another quarter of a turn, third of a turn there, whatever it is, to get the helicoil inside the part. You can see the tang in the back, and I can't tell if that's in or out. It's flush probably in the back. I don't care about being there because it pulls in this way. If it's too far out here, it would pull out and you couldn't tighten down. So we'll go ahead and try to pop that tang off, and then we'll see if we got some holding power like we want. So I can't hit it anywhere because I just popped the whole helicoil. So I'm going to try to use a screwdriver. Pop it. We got a little dinky screwdriver here. Let me try a shorter one. We don't have a shorter one. All my small ones are too big, so we're going to have to try to use this one. Put this out of my way. Okay. Just put it on it, try to pop it. Okay, it's off. Take our screw. Does not want to go in for some reason. What's going on here? Oh, the tang is not gone. The tang has been up 90 degrees. Wait. There, I heard it fall down that time. Okay, now it should go in the hole. Oh, much better now. It feels like it's trying to go in the hole. Didn't go in the hole, but it's trying to. There we go. And it pulls full torque, so it does everything I need it to do. Alright, one hole fixed. And that's how you heal the coil. Alright, we'll be back.